Hello everyone, what a lovely sunny bunch this is. And starting with my water in the classic vase, about a third full. Pop in your flower food and then start with your magnificent Magnum yellow chrysanthemums around the edge. Then I'm filling the gaps with my foliage, Eucalyptus populus it's called. And then into the middle goes my aster and my sunflowers, which will stand upright quite neatly using the other stems for support. This is called ornithogalum, these white stems, and then a bit of panicum grass, which is really cool, just kind of falling out, and then Craspedia. These things are wonderful, bit of quirk in the middle. Onto the flower frog. So I'm just covering the pins with the water. And then to get the height of my first stem, I like to take the diameter of my vessel plus the height, and that sets the first height using one of my focal stems, like a rose or a bloom. And then I like to do the other two. This is kind of creating the framework to work in amongst. Now I've gone in with my sunflowers, and I'm just using the curve of the stems. Always make sure the heads are facing upwards. And we're just creating something super structural. I've got my flower foliage now, my aster, and I'm just kind of working my way around 360s. Just constantly looking at it to see how it looks, but a nice asymmetrical shape is what we're trying to get. And also always trying to make it feel like it's growing from one place is a principle that I really like. And I'm finishing with some eucalyptus kind of tucked over the edge. Really cool, there we go. Moving on to some bud vases. And I've got 3 equal-sized glass bud vases. And I just like to make sure everything's at different heights. These are going to be perfect for your dining room table, or in a bathroom, or beside your bed. And then really it's just about looking what's in the box and what stems you've got, and just kind of doing a big mix match of whatever you've got. There we go, looking really pretty. Finishing with some taller Craspedia just to add a bit of height. Great. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.